Hi everyone, welcome back to Made Everything Official. In the world of heavy industry, this is power redefined, the creation of one of the largest forging presses ever built. At Weber Metals in Los Angeles, a subsidiary of Otto Fuchs KG, the 540 meganewtons pull-down press stands as a triumph of precision engineering. Capable of generating more than 60,000 short tons of force, it was designed to shape the future of aerospace manufacturing. From Korea to Great Britain, enormous castings, each weighing hundreds of tons, were poured, machined, and shipped across the globe. Every surface, every conical guide, every tie rod was crafted to tolerances measured in hundredths of a millimeter. These colossal parts, some over 25 meters long, would eventually come together deep within a 24-meter foundation pit in California. On-site, teams from SMS Group orchestrate a symphony of engineering. Hydraulic systems, lifting towers, and transport modules work in unison to lower the 200-ton crosshead into position, a moment that demands patience, accuracy, and trust. Every element of this machine represents decades of experience in forging and press technology. It's not just about size, it's about control, stability, and precision under unimaginable force. This is more than a press, it's a global achievement. From foundries to assembly, from concept to completion, SMS Group and Weber Metals demonstrate what's possible when vision meets determination. In the heart of Pittsburgh, USA, Steel Dynamics Inc. operates one of the most advanced special bar quality SBQ mills in the world. Through the modernization led by SMS Group, this plant has transformed into a symbol of precision, efficiency, and engineering evolution. The goal was ambitious: to expand production capacity, improve product quality, and enter new markets demanding the highest grade steel bars. The result? A state-of-the-art rolling line combining existing infrastructure with cutting-edge technology. The process begins as billets are heated in the new furnace to more than 100 degrees Celsius, glowing with energy before being descaled to remove surface impurities. Each billet passes through a compact breakdown mill, a powerful reversing stand that shapes the hot steel with precise rolling passes. Automated tilters rotate the billets between each pass, ensuring uniform deformation and perfect grain structure. As the bars travel along the insulated roller tables, the heat is preserved to maximize rolling efficiency. The material is further refined through housingless stands arranged in horizontal and vertical HV configurations, where the cross-section is continuously reduced to the desired shape. Cropping shears remove uneven ends, guaranteeing consistent quality across every bar. From here, the line integrates seamlessly into the existing mill, an intelligent blend of old and new. SMS Group engineered a 90-degree transfer table designed to protect the material surface as it transitions into the finishing section. The synchronization between legacy equipment and new systems is what makes this modernization remarkable. Every component communicates, every mill stand operates as part of a unified process. At the heart of the new configuration lies the three-roll precision sizing mill, PSM, a technological masterpiece. Operating at speeds up to 15 meters per second, the PSM produces high-precision round bars for the automotive, aerospace, and energy sectors. Its hydraulic roll adjustment works in real time, adapting under load within milliseconds to achieve tolerances as fine as 1/8 of DIN EN 10060 standards, ensuring every bar meets the most demanding specifications. In the roll shop, each cassette is prepared with meticulous accuracy. New roll rings are installed from below, clamped and calibrated using CCD cameras and automatic measuring systems. The setup data is instantly transferred to the mill's automation system, guaranteeing flawless transitions after every change. With this modernization, Steel Dynamics now produces up to 850,000 tons of bars annually, including 500,000 tons of premium SBQ steel, serving global markets across automotive, aerospace, and energy sectors. Every bar forged here represents the fusion of heat, power, and precision, proof that modern engineering can turn even the toughest steel into perfection. Just downstream, a laser-based measuring system scans the hot bar 500 times per second. Real-time data feeds into the Technological Control System, TCS, which automatically adjusts the hydraulic rolls to maintain perfect diameter and surface uniformity throughout the bar length. Once rolling is complete, dividing shears cut each bar to the customer's exact requirements. The steel cools gently on long cooling beds, then moves to bundling stations, ready to be shipped to industries that demand strength, precision, and reliability. At JSW Steel, every strip of metal begins its transformation in one of the most advanced cold rolling complexes ever built, a fully integrated pickling line and tandem cold mill engineered by SMS Group. Massive coils of hot-rolled steel arrive and are seamlessly welded together to form one continuous strip. Automation takes control from the very first second, uncoiling, aligning, and feeding the strip forward with perfect tension. This uninterrupted motion is the rhythm of modern steel production. The process begins at the scale breaker, where oxide layers from hot rolling are crushed and removed. Then, the strip enters the turbulent pickling section, a series of acid tanks more than 100 meters long. Here, high-speed liquid flow removes the remaining scale at speeds reaching 300 meters per minute, leaving a clean metallic surface ready for further processing. The transformation is extreme. Steel entering at 6.5 millimeters can be rolled down to only 0.3 millimeters at a speed of 450 meters per minute. Every parameter is automatically monitored and adjusted in real time for the highest accuracy and surface flatness. Downstream, the strip passes through the thickness measurement system and flatness measurement roll, both ensuring perfect dimensional control. A powerful drum shear then cuts the strip to the required length, followed by inline rotary inspection, which detects even the smallest surface defect while the line keeps running. Next comes the 5-stage cascade rinsing section, where pure water washes away all traces of acid in the opposite direction of flow. After that, the strip dryer eliminates moisture before the material moves into the intermediate looper, a precision system that stores strip length and keeps steady tension between all sections of the line. The clean strip is now trimmed by the ASC side trimmer, where rotating knives cut both edges with millimeter precision. A scrap chopper and burr masher immediately process the removed material, ensuring smooth, safe operation. This unit combines very high cutting accuracy with fast knife change technology, keeping production continuous with minimal downtime. Tension is stabilized once again through bridle rolls before entering the heart of the plant, the high-performance tandem cold mill. Here, 5 powerful rolling stands equipped with CVC Plus and ESS technology compress the strip to its target thickness. Each stand features work roll and intermediate roll bending, as well as multi-zone cooling and a dry strip system to maintain precise temperature control. This is more than steelmaking. It's the art of precision at industrial scale. At JSW Steel, powered by SMS Group technology, innovation, sustainability, and performance come together, forging the future of steel.